Myself Suraj Doble from batch M6. Today's my topic is benefit and difference between process and thread. First of all, we will learn what is process. In computing, a process is the instance of a computer program that is being executed by one or many threads. It contains the program code and its activity depending on the operating system. A process may be made up of multiple threads of execution that execute instructions concurrently. After that, we will learn what is thread. A thread is a flow of execution through the process code with its own program counter, system registers and stack. A thread is also called a lightweight process. Threads provide a way to improve application performance through parallelism. Each thread belongs to exactly one process and no thread can exist outside a process. Key benefits of threads. It takes far less time to create a new thread in an existing process than to create a brand new process. It takes less time to terminate a thread than a process. It takes less time to switch between two threads within the same process. Thread enhance efficiency in communication between different executing programs. Since thread within the same process share memory and file, they can communicate with each other without invoking the kernel. After that, difference between process and thread. First of all, process is heavyweight or resource intensive. Thread is lightweight taking lesser resources than a process. Process switching needs interaction with operating system. Thread switching does not need to interact with operating system. In multiple program processing environments, each process executes the same code but has its own memory and file resources. All threads can share same set of open file child processes. After that, multiple processes without using threads use more resources. And multiple threaded processes use fewer resources. It means threads use less resources. After that, from processes, in multiple processes, each process operates independently of the other. And from thread, one thread can read, write, or change another thread data. Thank you.